I can't, but I want to take a break.
And here we go.
Hey, look at you! You look amazing!
Here we go.
Who's in charge of this operation, huh?
He is now. He's the only one with a chain.
Always turn left.
Traffic jam. It's a zombie bike parade. Oh man, we're in the thick of it now. We haven't even made it to Higgs Beach yet. So, yeah, that's what's happening. These guys, I think, have one of the best parties going on right now, so check them out. And yeah, we're just getting into this night, so.
So I literally just pulled in.
Oh, you know, well, I get my makeup down at Fairvilla.
Yeah?
Yeah, even though I don't work for them anymore, I still, you know, go down there for my supplies. Dude, this is so different than last year, man.
Yeah, right?
There was like, I swear to God, like 30 of us last year when we started this thing. And this year it's like there's 3,000 of us starting this thing. So I say, here we go. Now we're getting to Higgs finally. It's going to be crazy down here. But yeah, man, head to the Parrot after this. Stop by, have a beer, man.
All right. Sure.
This is like drinking and driving legally.
Literally.
That's why I love it. The cops even shut down the road so we can drink and drive on our bicycles legally. Whoa, and then one goes down. Dude, I have footage from these for years now, so it's just like tradition now for me to be out here and do this run.
Oh my God, you got something.
Oh my God, you got something stuck in your head!
No!
Ah!
Oh, fuck yeah.
Now it's gonna get really crazy. Look at all these crazy motherfuckers, man. Look at them all.
I wouldn't be so sweaty if I
My people! The zombie people! Wow, there really are a shit ton of people down here this year. Look at that. Nice ride. This is trippy when we get down here. That's what I'm talking about. The zombies. Okay, so I'm officially on Duval Street. You can see it back there, Duval Street. Things are getting easier now. We'll see what goes on when we get down there at Sloppy Joe's.
Share bear!